storm tracker out and about. Let's show you where that is, and you'll see that not only as it travels around is it encountering still some of that light to moderate rain, but it too has seen some of that damage that we've had. The winds, I'm looking at that flag just now out of screen, still on the gusty side in places. It's wind speeds coming out of the north at about 15 miles an hour. The storm track on the move, and we have no flooding here in the metro and none anticipated. This view right now is coming from a long...
Well...
As if Pim can see, it's the exact location, and... passing by. Yeah, rain-cooled air, 65 degrees here, 70 degrees here in Metro Louisville. You know, if these storms had not come through when they did, we would have likely made it to 90 degrees today, Kevin. That's just how much heat energy is in the atmosphere and why these storms were able to go up so quickly. I will want to zoom out and show you something real fast here. We do have the storms now pushing south and east through our area. You can see that the strongest of them now basically southeast to E-Town, Bardstown, Lebanon. All of this area down here from Bowling Green to Campbellsville down to London, all of that area there is untapped energy. There have not been many or any thunderstorms that have moved through that area here over the past several hours. And a lot of the short-range models I was just looking at here developed yet another line of thunderstorms from this activity just south of Evansville and rage it all the way through southern Kentucky, clipping some of our counties from Hart down to Adair up to Taylor County. You folks are not out of the woods yet. That may aggravate flash flooding issues south of E-Town, south of Lebanon. So you folks need to be on guard for flash flooding and additional bouts of gusty, damaging winds through this evening. Here in Louisville, this was likely our main severe weather threat for the day, and we'll just see some stratiform or just widespread rain here at the... Well, that's what we've been pointing out throughout the afternoon, is this was our chance to see those storms worked over a couple of times, and now our focus will turn to the south. Obviously, it's where we have the flash flood potential ongoing with the warnings, the severe weather potential with all of those severe thunderstorm warnings moving out of our viewing area, and the developing line of storms back out to our west. Again, pushing across southern Kentucky.
Let's go back to 3. Oh, okay. What time is it? When did... whoa.
Until 3:45, areas to southern Nelson.
Let's get off. Turn the converter off.
Fly on fathers in less than a year. Not right after this.
First in Ormsby here. This is a storm tracker down in Ola County, so it was not too far from Shepherdsville, Mount Washington, and then of course Ryan working on getting us that sky track picture. And there you see it from E-Town with some decent rain pushing through, but very little wind, and it's the rain that is the concerning part across southern Hardin County into LaRue County. So again, not everybody's going to see rain.
Off to the west and north, some rainfall, but certainly no severe weather. Severe weather is now farther off towards the east, running from near Bardstown down the Bluegrass Parkway to E-Town, the Western Kentucky Parkway, not quite to Grayson County, but if you draw a line from the parkways from E-Town to Bardstown and then go south of there, LaRue County and also southern Nelson County, we have at least the potential for some flash flooding. So
over the same zone. Back to the north, we're just seeing some light to moderate rain. We can certainly handle that, not expecting much in the way of any flash flooding across southern Indiana or northern Kentucky at this time. Severe thunderstorm warnings continue along and just west of I-75. They're pushing out of our viewing area. Let me stop the radar and we'll just take a tour down that line, and then we'll make a quick round-robin sweep and
southeastern Hardin County and central Kentucky.
Today at 5 has complete coverage of the weather that's been going on across the area. And we'll take a look to a calmer weekend.
Eastern Daylight Time.
Let's zoom in. I want to again, promise here of taking you down that line of storms. So we're just going to zoom in where we have the County. Still seeing some decent storms radar and we'll keep it down. So bear with me as we pan radar down. So we'll move to
Lyons, Boundary Oak, Seven Corners, and Howardstown. An additional 1 to 2 inches of rain are possible in the warned area.
County. That's going to
turn around. Don't
there's
drown when encountering flooded roads.
This is Henry County in our viewing. That's the edge of our view. Look down into the capital city, Franklin, just seeing part of this storm push through. You have the gust of wind, now the rain in the capital city. Continues to about 5 miles an hour. To the south of Shelby County, as well. That one's coastal in Franklin County, as well as Anderson County. There's Lawrenceburg and yourself starting to see flash flooding threat continue there, too. So seeing that rain out from Jill, the southern edge of that as we come to Highway 31. The Hardin County area. In the distance, just to get your bearings together, this view comes from the hospital there, and just in the distance, we're looking off. Can swing that camera back around to the south and show some of that heavier rain pushing across southern parts of Hardin County. Other camera views we have for you across the area. Let's bounce through them. We'll take you to First and Ormsby. Tree down. This is causing some traffic downtown in Old Louisville. Not only do we have that, but we also have a number of places that have seen these trees down. Fire crews have been on
There's
scene.
just a little bit of garbage blowing around.
Going to take a little bit
in the yard,
which looks pretty sizable all report in terms of flash flooding and in terms of damage. Of course, those storms still ongoing. We have that wind gust reported as these storms continue to push to the east. Now, if you're down in Lebanon, if you're down in E-Town, you folks have some heavy thunderstorms just north. Flash flood. Take some of the warning that we have at this. Right now, we also have a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Carroll County at the moment, and we take you on down south when it comes to severe thunderstorm warnings. And one just north of Springfield affects the Willisburg area of Washington.
All right, I'm gonna shut her down here in a minute.
We would have got